Every problem once was a solution. Welcome to this week's Friday's Food for Thought. Now, just a quick note before we begin. You want to check your email on Monday. We're going to be covering the recent disqualification of new HECM fixed rate variants by Ginnie Mae, and that will be in our industry leader update video. So don't miss this look at the future ramifications for our industry. Now, oddly enough, our topic today, that every problem once was a solution, well, it reminds me of the now extinct standard fixed rate HECM. It was a solution to borrowers who sought maximum funds or a guaranteed interest rate, but it became a problem loan for FHA when they assessed the risk and the performance. Now, this is a prime example of how behaviors, business models, or marketing may become problems once they are not up to date anymore. On a more personal level, we can become angry with ourselves at times, wondering why we act a certain way in a given situation. On the surface, it may appear to be irrational, but is it? It's not so much that the current behavior or pattern is irrational, but rather that it no longer works. Once what was a solution may be a problem. Now, you may have adapted a new strategy or a way of doing business based on market trends at that time. Now, this really shows that you have a creative ability to problem solve. But what we can look at is the context, how we react in a given situation. Our context today is that we only have reached a meager 2% of homeowners who may qualify for a reverse mortgage. Is the answer merely to increase our advertising or develop new loan products? Perhaps not. Then look at the traditional needs-based borrower. They were once the solution to our growing but fledgling industry, and they served as the primary source of new HECM borrowers for over 20 years. But then this group became problematic as technical defaults increased due to non-payment of taxes and insurance. Now, should these examples stop us from seeking solutions in the future? Absolutely not. But rather, it teaches us that every solution has its time and its season. Once we accept this, we can be watchful of when our fixes may become problems. As one author, Steve Maraboli, puts it, the universe is so well balanced that the mere fact that you have a problem also serves as a sign that there is a solution. Now, what are your thoughts? Share some of your current problems in business that were once a solution, and also any personal or business stories. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.